The letter I below is made of 3 identical overlapping rectangles. Each rectangle is measures 30 cm by 5 cm. Find the area of the letter I. Okay, so you know that the rectangle is I will take these two rectangles which is on top, alright, which I already have the area 30 centimeter times 15 times 5, sorry, which will give you 150 centimeters square. So I know these two blue color portion. I will just need to add in the green color portion. Okay, the green color portion is I know that this is definitely a 5 cm. Okay, because that is the breadth. The breadth is 5 cm. Okay, and I know that this is also 5 cm. Okay, because that is aligned with the breadth here, which is also 5 cm. Okay, so since these two portions are 5 cm, there will be a total of 10 cm. Sorry, times 2. Alright, so you multiply by 2 to find the green color, the length of the green color portions. Alright, so that will be 10 centimeters. Okay, so what is in between will be 30 minus 10. Alright, because the length here in red is the same length as this 30. Alright, so this will also be 30. So 30 minus 5, which is the green portion here. And the green portion here, it will give you the yellow portion here. Over here is 20 cm. Okay, 30 minus 10. Alright, so I'll just do the working. 30 cm minus 10 cm. That will give you 20 cm. Okay, and the area of the green portion will be 20 cm multiplied by 5 cm. That will give you 100 cm square. Okay, that will be the answer. Sorry, that wouldn't be the answer. That will be the green portion only. Okay, 100 plus 150 plus 150. Okay, that will be 400 cm square and will be the answer.